Ang napili ng Pata Team ay sitik sa tenga. So nakaset up na sa likod ang Monty/Bass Team. Ready nyo na? Pakikakta na mga daliri. On my go! 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to Mix Olympics! Nakatatlong games na tayo. Score natin, 17 points for Pata Team and Monty/Bass Team with 21 points. Taking the lead. Eto na, ready na tayo for game number 4 which is called Who You. Through the given image, members will go head-to-head in guessing the name of the artist we are looking for. The first player to press the buzzer gets 5 seconds to answer, and if the answer is incorrect, the other team gets a chance to steal, and a clue will be given to help them. If both teams are incorrect, another clue will be provided. Each correct answer is equivalent to 2 points. To start off, Rico and Francis.
Pag gano'n naman.
Rico and Francis. Iba-iba na yung ano natin. Yung match-ups. We will change it up a bit. Okay, so kung hindi nyo na kailangan ng clue, pwede na mag-buzz agad. Kailangan naman? Yes. Meron tayong mga clues na pwedeng ibigay. Okay, here we go. Ang category natin for this game, 90s groups. 90s groups, okay?
Base of base.
Here we go. Pwede yan.
Okay. Anyway.
Eto, basta, depende. Pag makita niyo yung picture, you guys know what we are talking about. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Kamay sa baba,
Hanson.
Yeah! Hanson! Is correct!
Akala ko may hahanapin pa.
Yung hulaan mo kasi sila.
Hulaan.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Teka, hulaan mo lang pala kung sino siya.
Ilang points per correct
2 points per correct answer. Yeah.
May hahanapin. Taylor.
Okay? Basta, kung sino lang yung makita nyo dito, you have to guess who they are. Glock and Monty.
Awkward stage.
90s groups.
Hanson, awkward stage. Di ba si Kuya? Awkward stage.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Monty?
Spice Girls. Masyado matagal.
Spice Girls is correct!
Isip ko kasi kung may hinahanap eh. England.
Ebe and Ira?
Akala ko may hinahanap. So wala na hinahanap. Basta yun na yun.
Yun na inisip ko baka may hinahanap na iba eh.
Okay, here we go.
Union Jack.
3, 2, 1. Ebe.
Boys to Men.
Boys to Men is correct! On the board, Pata Team. Basti and Jamir.
Say goodbye.
Sino natin?
Yun sila boys eh.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Technical difficulty.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jamir.
Backstreet Boys.
Walking away. Basti Artaki. Basti Correct! Okay, Rico and Francis, kayo ulit.
Medyo nalito ako lang.
Ano yung score? Hindi, yung...
+4.
Tabla na, +4 lang. Tabla.
Okay, ito na. Question number 5. So, actually, picture number 5. Here we go. Rico.
TLC.
Yeah.
TLC. It's correct! Okay.
Ganun. Lamang na kayo. Hindi ko alam.
Next up.
Laki lamang niya from Davao.
Bill mahirap dyan for sure.
Glock and Monty.
BLT.
Alam mo. Ito nga, walang...
Si Left Eye.
Oo.
Patay na yan eh.
Dalawang isip.
Sino dyan yung patay na?
Sa gitna.
Okay.
Oo.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Sige.
Uy!
Sige.
Oo nga.
With confidence. Boyzone. Asa na ba si Ronan Keating? Ayan. Boyzone is correct.
Ano yun eh? Si Sting yan, no?
Ebe and Ira.
Mahirap din pala.
Never the strangers in there.
Next one. 3, 2, 1. Ira.
Sin.
NSYNC.
And 6 is correct! Mga batang Justin Timberlake and everybody else.
High five yan eh.
And Basti.
High five yan.
Jamir and Basti.
High five yan. Hindi yung mga iba?
Ubus na eh.
Pahirap na ng pahirap. Pare, wala.
Medyo nawawala na yung mga sikat, ha?
Oh,
May mechanic ang badila.
Next one. 3, 2, 1.
patay.
Basti.
Yun na.
5 seconds. Kaya mo yan. Time.
Yan, alam yan.
Jamir.
Clue number 1.
Kahit huwag na.
Bills.
Destiny's Child.
Destiny. They were 4 when they started out. Destiny
Buti na lang.
is correct.
Sound say yes.
En Vogue yan.
Rico and Francis.
Simple pa eh. No?
En Vogue. En Vogue. En Vogue.
Wow.
Salt and pepper.
Okay. Ito talaga. Test na natin ang inyong knowledge. 3, 2, 1.
Sa kaya ano, sa Mona Lisa. Yun.
Yan.
F Club 7.
S Club 7 is... Lima lang sila, hindi sila 7. Lima lang sila dito. S Club 5.
Hindi ko
Okay, clue number 1. Clue number 1. 5,
Napayas na ako.
7, 8.
Yes. Abenga boy.
Is incorrect. Rico, balik.
Oh, mali ko.
Hindi ka pa magaling.
Pwede pa. May isa pa tayong clue.
Aqua.
Wait lang.
Walang
Clue number
di ba may kalbo
2.
doon?
Last thing on my mind. Pwede kayo parehas.
Pizza.
High five. Ano yung sagot mo? Bawasan mo lang ng 2.
All I know is I hate
S Club 5.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Correct answer. Steps.
Sino yun?
Five, six, seven, eight. Maunggoon. Yun sila ba yun? Okay,
Yeah, I
yun.
remember this guy. May napanood ako na live. He kept going, woo! Woo!
Yun lang yung ginagawa niya.
Oh, Douglas and Monty.
Dalawang membro ng Spandau.
Simon Lepon.
Sino yan? Hindi ko alam.
Glock and Monty, ito sa inyo. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Sino yan?
Correct! Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Patay ka dyan.
Monty.
Si Nick Lachey yan eh.
Oo. Asawa yan ni Jessica Simpson eh.
Oo.
Time.
The Simpsons!
Wala na, time na.
Nakalimutan ko eh.
Glock, kailangan ng clue. Okay. Clue number 1. Because of you.
Alam ko na!
9/11, hindi 9/11.
Time. Oh, wait, Steve. Steve, unahan pa to ulit.
Una.
Wait.
Unan!
Okay sa baba.
Hindi, kailangan tatakbo sila galing dun sa gilid.
Okay, mukha alam na naman na niya. So, go na lang sasabihin ko, ha? Wait, kamay sa baba.
Pagkagawa pindot.
3. Go!
Sabay.
Monty. Five.
Pwede.
Okay na. 98 degrees is...
Sabay yun ah.
Eben, Ira? Okay, dalawa na lang. Gumagana pa.
Check. Ay, gumagana ba? Okay po.
Gumagana pa.
Next kasi si Jai. O, bawas sa points yan.
Ano ba yan?
Okay lang, buhay.
Ay,
3.
makita.
Ito na. Next one. Dalawa na lang. 3, 2, 1. Ayun na.
Ay!
All safe.
All Saints is correct!
Kaya mo yung update kanina.
And to close out the game, Jamir and Basti.
Tambak na tayo. Tambak
Ito alam na to ni Basti, sure ball. Alam niya na to. Alam niya na itong dalawa, sure. 3, huwag na kayo magpadali sa pag-bus. 3, 2, 1.
Malamang malabo.
Alam ko yan!
Jamir!
Sinungal!
Bopat.
Out of nowhere! Bofat is...
I'm happy I don't know
Nagka-rumor pa na parang...
Pero mali yung pronunciation.
Pwede na pa.
Sabi ng DJ.
Okay! Close game for game number 4. But at the end of this one, our team / Bass team with 12 points and with 10
By one,
points ang
by
Pata
one
team
and
tapos ng konti. So ibig sabihin yan, isa ulit dito guys. Medyo namumuro na kayo dito sa ating punishment wheel. Ito ang gusto
Sabi ni Bas. I'm glad I didn't know that.
Talagang wala
Lusot naman, parang masaya. Lusot.
S-Club 7. This is the funniest name. Okay lang yan.
Okay, Fruity Mix sa pagbabalik ng Mix Olympics!